In the very important matter of the Women's Reservation Bill, the Supreme Court on Friday, 3rd November expressed its reservation about directing the Union government to immediately implement the Constitution 106th Amendment Act 2023, which proposes to introduce women's reservation in the Lok Sabha, the upper houses of the state legislatures and the Delhi Legislative Assembly. Although the constitutional amendment was signed into law by President Draupadi Murmu in September, the act will not be implemented until a delimitation exercise is conducted following the next census. A bench of Justice Sanjeev Khanna and S.V.N. Bhatti was hearing the public interest litigation petition filed by Congress leader Jaya Thakur, claiming that a constitutional amendment once passed with overwhelming support in a special session called for a purpose cannot be withheld. While refusing to issue notice in Thakur's petition, the top court agreed to hear it with the NFIW's plea. In parting, however, Justice Khanna observed, "We have understood your argument. You are saying census is not required, but there are a lot of issues." During the debate in the two houses on the Women's Reservation Bill, opposition leaders, even while broadly supporting the legislation, questioned the clause that sought to defer its implementation and urged the Union government to dispense with the requirement of conducting a census and a delimitation exercise first. Last month, Congress leader Dr. Jaya Thakur also filed a public interest litigation praying for a declaration that the clause was void ab initio and seeking the immediate implementation of the Women's Reservation Bill. Thakur's plea stated that the constitutional amendment must not be withheld for an uncertain period. The bench, however, expressed its disinclination to strike down the offending clause. "It will be very difficult for us to do that. We'll virtually be legislating then," Justice Khanna told the senior counsel in this matter. For more such updates, follow LiveLaw and don't forget to like this video.